How to create a YouTube channel in mobile. So if you want to create a YouTube channel in your mobile, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your YouTube application. Once you open up your YouTube, you just need to simply go with the bottom right, which has that profile option. Now under profile, you need to go with switch account option. So tap on switch account, and under switch account, you need to go with the plus, which is on the top right. Once you tap on plus, it will take you to an interface which looks like this. You need to just enter your password or your fingerprint. It will take you to the sign-in page of Google. It means that if you want to create a YouTube channel, then you need to create a Google account. So just go and create a Google account. Or if you already created your account, then you need to sign into your Google account. So you just need to simply go and sign into your Google account through which you would like to create your YouTube channel. So just enter your email address or your phone number and tap on next. And after that, you need to enter your password. And once you enter your password, then with the help of your Google account, it will automatically create your YouTube account. But make sure to enter your new mail address while creating your YouTube account. So that's it for this video. If you want to create a YouTube channel in your mobile, you need to create a new Google account or sign in with a Google account that has not been used while creating a YouTube channel. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.